Hello guys! Today pag-usapan naman natin ang company life insurance. Miss Sarah, ano po ba ang company life insurance? The company life insurance is an employee benefit. So, for example, we have an employee named John. Itong si John, on his way home, he met an accident and ito yung naging cause ng death niya. The question is, may matatanggap ba yung family ni John from the company life insurance? The answer is, yes. Meron po siyang matatanggap. Meron po matatanggap yung family ni John from the company life insurance kasi benefit niya yun from the company. And nangyari yung accident na naging cause ng death niya while he is employed. Okay. Another scenario is, itong si John, he decided to resign from the company and instead mag-open na lang ng sarili niyang business. Okay? Now, the same thing happened. He met an accident on his way home. And ang tanong, meron bang matatanggap yung family ni John while hindi na siya employed doon sa company? No, the answer is wala. No, hindi na po siya makakatanggap ng lump sum money from the company life insurance. Bakit? Kasi hindi na po siya employed. Hindi na po siya empleyado ng company. So, hindi na rin po niya may enjoy yung company benefit na life insurance. Okay, what is my recommendation for John? My recommendation for John as a financial advisor is that John should get his own personal policy or personal life insurance. Maraming klase ng life insurance that a financial advisor can design for you. Ito yung life insurance na pasok sa budget mo para sustainable and for sure dire-diretso ang pagbabayad mo. Pangalawa, this policy or life insurance is pasok din or swak sa mga pangangailangan mo or sa needs mo. And more importantly, this life insurance stays with you. Kahit pa nag-resign ka na dun sa company mo or kahit nag-open ka pa ng sarili mong business. So, sa mga kaibigan ko na business owners, let's talk. Baka itong insurance na lang ang kulang sa financial portfolio mo. If you have any questions or any clarifications, please comment below or send me a private message. Thank you guys!